In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to install Melo NX on your iOS device. Melo NX is a Nintendo Switch emulator for iOS that lets you play your favorite Switch games directly on your iDevice. The setup process is actually pretty straightforward, and in this guide, I'll walk you through everything step by step and how you guys can make the game run smoothly as well with JIT. So before we get started, make sure to subscribe if you guys are new around here. I post regular videos on iOS emulators, sideloading, IP installers, and all things iPhone. Also make sure to join as a channel member since there is a Discord being created for all members, and also there is support as well if you guys have any issues with anything. Anyways, the first thing that you guys have to do essentially is open up your Safari app and go to this website here. I will leave a link for it in the description down below. And essentially this is the official developer's website. You're gonna click on download here and it'll lead you to the info page. And there is some important information here. So the first thing is that Melo NX requires JIT and cannot run without it. There are also some recommended iPhone suggestions and recommended iPad suggestions, and it also gives you the lowest compatible device. Now, if you guys scroll down all the way until you guys see the free developer account section, this is where we have to just download the IPAs for Melo NX, and you also have to download the entitlement app. And what we have to do with this IPA is just sideload it. You can do this with any side loader, but I would recommend SideStore, and even they recommend using a SideStore as well, since with SideStore there are no revokes and you guys can easily enable JIT through stick debug, or you guys can use TrollStore 2 for permanent sideloading and JIT support. And you can also use Melo NX to the fullest since it does unlock some other features that aren't available. If you guys want to know how to get SideStore, I'll leave the video on the top right. And what we have to do now is just click on Melo NX and then scroll down until you guys see Melo NX IPA. So click on that and then click on download. And as that's downloading, go back here and download the entitlement app. Click on download and just wait for the download to be done. Once the download is done, first make sure that your local dev VPN is on, and then go into your live container here or SideStore. You guys are gonna click on the plus icon here and then locate your IPA and sideload both of them. And once both of the apps have sideloaded, what we first have to do is just open up Melo NX. Now what we need to do is go to the Get More RAM app, which was also the entitlement app. So click on that here, and now you're gonna go into settings, click on sign in, and use the Apple ID that you sideloaded, and this is safe. The developers are trusted. And then once you guys sign in successfully, you guys will get a two-factor authentication prompt, so make sure to click allow. And also you guys will get a notification saying AnySet is valid, so that means everything has worked perfectly. So just get your code and make sure that you guys remember this code and just enter it over here. And now you guys can just click on continue here. And once you guys see your email address and your team ID here, you guys can go down to app IDs. And now under app IDs, you guys are just gonna click on refresh. And now what we essentially have to do is click on the Melo NX here and then click on add increased memory limit. And then if you guys get something in the server response here, that means everything did in fact work. So now what we need to do is just scroll out and delete the Melo NX app and re-sideload it using your preferred sideloader. Again, I would highly recommend using SideStore, because to use the Get More RAM / entitlement app, you need to use either AltStore or SideStore, since those are the only ones that have app IDs. So anyways, just hold on this here and then click on remove app and then click delete app, delete. And now just go back into SideStore / live container and re-sideload it. And once you guys have successfully re-sideloaded Melo NX, just click on the Melo NX app here. And now what we need to do is just add our encryption keys and firmware using the file picker inside Melo NX. So for your import keys, just click on that here and just locate your encryption keys and make sure that they are in fact unzipped and in a folder. So just click on any one of them here and then click on your prod key and your title key together and then click on open. And then you guys will just see a check mark here confirming that you have imported your keys. And then for your firmware, you guys do not need to extract the zip file. You can put it in directly. And then once you guys have also added your firmware, just click on finish setup. And it should lead you to this page here, and the first thing it'll say is no games found. Tap the plus button to add legally dumped ROMs. But the first thing that we have to do is go into settings, and then if you scroll all the way up here, it will say that JIT is not acquired and it'll be red. And then also, as you guys can see, the increased memory limit is enabled, so the get more RAM / entitlement app did successfully work. And so now we really just need to enable JIT. But before we do that, I do want to say there are some cool things that you guys can tweak here. So for example, you guys can change your resolution scale. You guys can add shader cache, VSync, and a performance overlay. And then you guys can also change your input as well and how the controller looks. You can go to system to change any of this here, and also advanced control as well. Anyways, we really just need to enable JIT. And so if you guys want to know how to enable JIT using stick debug, I will leave the video for that in the top right. Anyways, you guys are going to go back to your home screen and then go to stick debug, making sure that local dev VPN is again on. And then what you need to do is just click on connect by app and then click on the Melo NX app here. And as you guys can see, JIT has been enabled and it is indicated by that green dot here. So if I go to settings, it'll say JIT is in fact enabled. And now you guys can just import your games by clicking on the plus icon. And that's all you essentially have to do. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.